Hi, welcome. So in this lecture, I will download the p4merge binary installer for Linux. So here you can see in the address bar, I'm in www.perforce.com. So I'll go here, you can see at the right top corner in the search box and type p4merge. So it's already there. I made a search earlier and do a search for p4merge, and here in the search result I'll select the first search result and click on this link p4merge perforce visual merge and diff tools. So let's click on this and it opens a new page which is visual merge and diff tools, and you can see here free download p4merge. So let's click on this link and here we come to Helix p4merge visual merge tool. So you can see Linux is already selected and it has automatically detected that I'm using the Linux platform. So you can also see the other platforms are available too. So here I'll select the Linux platform and I'll select Linux x64 since I'm using 64-bit machine. If you're using 32-bit machine, you can use Linux x86. So let's click on this and the download button, as you can see, is automatically enabled, and here in this box the version that I'm downloading is automatically populated, so we don't have to do anything over here. So let's press on the download button and it provides us a screen with an optional registration step which we'll definitely skip to make the process faster. So I click on the skip registration button over here and I get the download screen. So it is p4v.tzz and it's a 58.2 MB file, as you can see. So I have already selected the save file and I'll simply click the OK button here with the green tick and it will start downloading, and you can see the download process had started. So a few seconds it will take. So I'll pause the video for the timing and will return back when the download is complete. And you can see the download has been completed with a file size of 58.2 MB. So let's get back to a terminal over here, and right now I am in the download folder. So it is the downloads folder under the home directory. Let's do an ls and you can see the file is pretty much over there. So we need to decompress this .tgz file in two steps. First we'll use the gunzip command and the file is p4v, press tab and press enter, and we do a ls over here and you can see a tarball is created out of this tgz file. Now we need to untar it. So using the tar command xvf, so x stands for extraction, f stands for file and v stands for the verbose mode, and it need to provide the file name which is p4v.tar. Press enter and the decompression process is complete. Let's clear the screen using the ls command that will list the contents of the directory, and we have produced a folder p4v and then the version number of the download. So let's cd into this directory p4v dash, press tab and press enter. So right now we are in this directory, and let's do a ls dash l to check the contents of the directory. So we have two folders here, bin and live. Now we want to move all the contents of this folder to a directory called opt/p4merge. Now there is no existing directory under opt named p4merge, so we'll create this directory using mkdir command, and of course we will be using the sudo command. So /opt/p4merge. Reason why we are moving the contents in this path is that opt is normally the directory where we keep the add-ons. So let's create the directory, and the directory has been created. Now let's move all the contents of the directory using the mv command. sudo mv and then star, which means all the contents of this directory, to opt/p4merge. Press enter and let's do an ls, and you can see this directory, which you can see in yellow font. It's empty, which means all the contents have been moved to the opt/p4merge directory. Now we need to remove the files and folders generated over here. So we'll cd and move our folder backwards. Let's do an ls. We don't need either of these files. So first we'll remove the file which is p4v.tar, and then we'll remove the directory which is p4v and then 2015, and we need to use the rm-rf since this is not an empty directory. Let's do an ls, and so you can see all the contents have been removed. Let's clear the screen. Now as a last step, we need to create a symlink. So we'll use sudo ln-s to create the symlink. Then the source, which is opt/p4merge bin, and then the executable p4merge. And the actual symlink will be residing in the user local bin, and the symlink, let's name it p4merge. So let's reiterate the whole command: sudo space ln space -s space opt/p4merge bin p4merge space user local bin p4merge. So let's press enter and the symlink gets created. So let's test it out by typing out p4merge, press enter, and here you go. The p4merge tool has been launched, and we can use it to do diff or merge whatever we wish. So with this we conclude this lecture. In subsequent lecture of the next section, we'll be actually working with this p4merge tool to do diff and merge operations.